A powerful choice is stirring emotions across Northern Ireland this season. It's a decision that goes beyond organ donation, delving into the realm of whole-body donation. Queen's University Belfast's body donation program, recently reopened, is bringing this topic to the forefront, and it's a conversation starter. 1,000 strong, the power of generosity. Queen's University has seen an incredible response, with nearly 1,000 registered donors and another 250 expressing interest. The first new donor under the revived scheme has already been accepted, and medical students are set to benefit this term. This program is a cornerstone of medical education, offering a unique, hands-on learning experience. It allows future doctors to study the human body in all its complexity, understanding variations and the impact of disease. Motivations, a blend of altruism and pragmatism. People's reasons for signing up are varied. Some see it as a way to leave a meaningful legacy, while others appreciate the practical benefits, especially those without close family. A 95-year-old woman from Strangford, who signed up decades ago, described it as an act of kindness, bringing order to her affairs. This blend of generosity and practicality is a common thread among donors. Training tomorrow's doctors, the power of dissection. Queen's paused the program during the pandemic, relying on digital tools and 3D models. While these methods helped, they couldn't replace the real thing. The university's School of Medicine emphasizes the importance of learning from actual bodies, as it teaches students to understand depth, texture, and the unexpected. Dissection is an irreplaceable tool in medical education. The process, from registration to the lab. Donors make an informed decision during their lifetime. Upon their passing, the university assesses the body's suitability, considering medical history and cause of death. If accepted, trained professionals prepare the body for teaching, ensuring dignity and respect. After the educational process, the university arranges a memorial, involving the family in the final steps. Organ donation versus whole-body donation, a comparison. Topic: organ donation. Whole-body donation. Main purpose: transplantation for life-saving and enhancing purposes, education and research to train medical professionals. Consent model: opt-out system, deemed consent, explicit, written consent by the donor. Timing: immediate retrieval. Post-death acceptance depends on condition and logistics. Family role: family is consulted, wishes considered. Family notifies the program, donor's consent is key. Costs: no cost to the family. Programs often arrange cremation, families can plan services. Exclusions: few medical exclusions for specific organs. Certain conditions or postmortems may prevent acceptance. The donors, a diverse group. Donors come from all walks of life and ages. Some, like the woman from Strangford, see it as a gift to future generations. Others highlight the relief it brings to their families, providing clarity and a sense of purpose after their passing. Considerations before you decide. Consent must be given by you while alive. Relatives cannot usually authorize whole-body donation. Acceptance is not guaranteed. Recent surgeries or certain infections may impact eligibility. Timing is crucial, as programs work within specific windows. Faith and culture play a role. Many traditions support donation as an act of charity. Funeral plans should reflect your donation decision. Keep contact details accessible for quick reference. The impact of technology, a complement, not a replacement. Virtual anatomy, imaging, and 3D printing have enhanced medical teaching, allowing students to practice and learn complex anatomy. However, lecturers at Queen's argue that real bodies offer a depth of understanding that technology cannot replicate. The subtle twists and turns of veins, the surprises of nerves, and the stories told by adhesions are lessons that go beyond the screen. Key statistics. 1,000 donors registered with Queen's University's body donation program. 250 expressions of interest being assessed. Program paused during COVID-19, now reopened with new staff. First new donor under the restarted scheme accepted. Your next steps, a personal decision. Start by discussing it with your loved ones, explaining your reasons and values. Ensure your decision is documented in your will and the university's consent forms. Inform your GP and keep the program's contact details handy. If your circumstances change, you can withdraw consent at any time. Consider your funeral plans, especially if you wish for a service or gathering. Planning these details now can ease the burden on your family later. The impact, a legacy for future patients. The students who benefit from this program will become the clinicians of tomorrow. Their skills, honed in anatomy labs, will impact patient care. Whether it's an early detection of a health issue, confident diagnosis, or safe surgical navigation, these abilities start with the generous choices of donors. If you're still undecided, reflect on your values. Write down your top priorities regarding death and legacy, and match them to the donation options. When your values align with your actions, it becomes a decision you can live with, and one your loved ones can honor.